Good morning! Good morning, guys! It's Linggo, Sunday today. And today is furniture shopping day. Look at this man. I-measure niya lang, guys, yung dyan. So, nandito yung pantry namin. Dyan. And then we have a big space here. Kung naalala nyo, guys, dun sa, nung nagpa-party kami ng Christmas, naglagay kami ng ano dito, ng Christmas lights. Tapos naglagay kami ng Christmas tree. Ito yung area na yun. Lalagyan namin siya ng parang cabinet, tapos may storage. Tapos, pwede naman siya lagyan ng mga gamit like ito, yung aming sa pa-barbecue namin, nalagay lang namin sa floor. So, yeah, mineasure lang siya na done. And then, we will go to 3 shops actually. So, first one is the one nearby. And then, last stop is IKEA kasi yun yung pinaka malayo. And I will get my pits done as well for my laser kasi it's really, late na, guys. Yung schedule ko was, I think, 2 weeks or maybe more than 2 weeks ago. Kaya lang nagkaroon ako nun. So, hindi ako hindi ko tinuloy, kinancel ko. And pumunta kami ng Melbourne. So, na-busy na, hindi ko na siya napagawa. So, nagpa-schedule ako today. Where's that jumper from? Kono?
Kmart.
No, it's not Kmart. Kono. I did actually haul it, so they saw it's a haul. Ay, tingnan nyo, guys, ang trendy niya. Meron siyang dyan. Cross dyan. And then, he's wearing the same pants that he wore yesterday, yung from Kono as well. Kono. Yan. What? Kono. Conor. And then, he will be wearing, I think, the black and brown shoes from
Basketball shoes.
Landmark. No, you're not wearing the basketball shoes. Babe, I'm cooking tonight, okay?
Huh?
No, because I will need to bring food for tomorrow as well for my lunch. So, I'm gonna cook. Ito. Diyan muna kami, guys. Freedom. Yan. Yun, freedom. Now or never clearance daw, guys. It's now or never. Okay, wow. Yung bed namin galing actually freedom. That's a nice couch. What's the size? At home. Ano yung na-measure mo? Oh, okay. It's white as well. And yan yung hinahanap natin. 6.99.
We're just having a look at the moment, thank you. So 175 wide.
Yep.
And that says 170 wide, so that's got enough room.
Yeah.
And we're 60 deep, and that's 45 deep.
Okay.
And our kitchen bench, where cooker is 90 high, and that's 80 high.
Okay. It fits then.
That fits fine.
Perfectly. Okay. Wait, last look. And it's white as well. We're looking for a white one, right?
Yeah, it'll be white, I reckon.
Yeah. No, it's gotta be white. Dito kami sa last chance to buy clearance. Itong mga dito, guys. Last chance siya. So, how much this one was? Kasi now, for 129, pero sana nilagay nila yung original price. Oh, look. That one's sold. Sold, babe. Yeah. Tapos merong para saan kaya to? That is expensive, babe. Ooh, para sa wine? Yeah, we don't drink. It is, ha? Oo nga, nice nga to, oh. Tingnan nyo, meron pa siyang pa-marble dyan. Kaya lang hindi yun magmamatch sa aming aesthetic. Charot, aesthetic talaga. Ma-aesthetic tayo, babe. I like this. Babe, $2.
What is it?
It's a clock. Tingnan mo nga yan. Ay, patay na. $2 lang, guys. Wait, magkano ba to originally? And then, ito din, $10 na lang. Yung malaking clock. Ang cute nito. Kaya lang, saan ko to ilalagay? They have it in white as well, babe. It was like $5 and now it's $2. It's not like super special.
So, already put it?
It's $2. That's fine. That's what I said. Tingnan nyo, guys. Pineapple, tapos meron siyang mga ano dun, lemon, pero pwede mo siyang i-freeze. So, ano siya? Ice. Babe, look at this.
I saw that.
Yeah. It's got the lemon thingy that you can freeze. So, it keeps your drink cold. Another one, guys.
That might look better than the other one.
Yeah. No, I actually like that better. It's very, like, clean. Oh, I like the inside, babe. How much is it?
Oh, it's 1,000. That's alright.
$1,000. Mahal ah. Pero, yeah, will this hold the plates though? Do you think it's gonna be?
But that you can put the that plates might not be able to go in there, but plates
Not on the top? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, that's fine.
I like the covers better.
That one?
Yeah.
Pero the inside is nice. I like the inside kasi gray. But yeah, that one's better. Looking good, Freedom. Looking good.
It's the mirror.
Gusto ko to, guys. It is $700. Pero yeah, it's a really nice mirror, babe. Ang laki. Tingnan niyo to, guys. Tea towel. Binigyan ako ni Lyra nito. Pineapple at saka yung cactus na sa taas. Plates tayo, guys. I want this color. Oh, is that same as Lyra's?
I think so.
Ah.
Good price though.
Oh, yes. It was 60. Ngayon, 29 na lang. Yes. Dito kami, guys, sa market. Dito sa Central Market na food court. Laksa. Huh? Straw, no? Where's the straw? Okay. Hello, babe. They have Mr. Viet. So they will have the coffee there. I didn't know that. Dito na yung laksa namin, guys. Ang laki. Hindi ko to mauubos. And then we got a tart. And then drinks Dr. Pepper kay Dunkirk's. Lemonade. Kain. Dito kami sa Focus On. The mid-year sale. Up to 50% off. Lego, people. Mga beds, guys. Mostly mga beds. Meron kami nakita dun sa ano, pero medyo maraming wood. Gusto namin plain white lang. Pero yeah, that's it for here. Let's go out. Let's go, babe. Guys, nandito kami sa Design Initial Furniture. And ito yung pinakaunang nakita namin. Looks really nice. Gustong-gusto namin to. Oh. Parang meron siyang glass. And then yan. Yeah. Kaya lang malaki siya. Hindi siya kasya. So, pass. Next stop is Nick Scully. We have a couple furniture na galing dito, guys. So, we will look. Sabi, lounge sale. Up to 50% off. Let's go. Thank you, my love. Tapos na kami dito sa Mile End Home Center, guys. So, ano siya? Parang area na sobrang daming mga home stuff. Like, nag-start siya doon. Ikot. Like, may JB Hi-Fi Home hanggang sa doon, guys, paikot. Hindi namin pinuntahan lahat ng shops kasi hindi naman namin kailangan ng bed, ganun. So, kapag, like, bed na shop siya, hindi na kami pumunta doon. Doon lang kami sa mga, may mga table. Pero wala kaming nahanap. So far, yung okay is yung nasa Freedom. And ngayon, punta kami IKEA, guys. Maraming options doon. So, exciting. That was close, babe. This guy. Punta kami IKEA. IKEA na kami, guys. Ang laki ng IKEA. Tapos, it looks busy. Ang daming tao. Ang daming nakapark. Pero we're here. IKEA. Ito, guys. Okay lang siya. Kaya lang, medyo maliit. Kung mas wide sana siya. Okay sana siya, guys. Ilagay dito yung mga plato. Tapos yung mga nakalabas kanina namin. Yung barbecue, ganun. But, yeah. And then, meron pa dito, guys. Ito, oh. Maganda din to. Kaya lang, very flimsy ng ganito niya. Parang, basta, oh. Pakinggan nyo. Very flimsy. Pero this comes in white as well and it's only $349. So kung compare mo sa Freedom na humaabot ng 1,000, kaya lang medyo flimsy siya. This one's alright. Meron din silang white nito. Kaya lang itong part na to very flimsy din. Yeah. Ito guys, gusto ni Dan. Kaya lang black. Pero kung dito may ilalagay yung plato, parang okay lang ba to, babe? Ay, naku, babe. Siguro dyan may ilalagay yung mga magagaan. Tapos dyan yung plato na mabibigat. And then sa ilalim. Ay, babe. Oh, there's no enough ano. Or maybe we can add more, but it's just a massive storage. A stool, guys, para sa akin. That's too big. Do they have like a petite one but longer? It's gonna take a lot of space. Saan natin ilalagay yan? Laki naman. They have a small one. Kaya lang, ano naman, hindi naman enough yung height niya. Pambata naman to. Pero at least ganito kalaki. Or half this size, oh. Pero ganito katangkad. Okay lang sana. Dito kami sa plant section, guys. Ang cute na mga cactus. Ang liit, oh. $5.99. And there's more here, babe. Ayaw makuha. Succulent yan, hindi yan cactus. Pero ito. Oh, this one's cute, babe. Look at this. That's a massive one. That's scary. I like this plant, babe. And this is real. Look. Tapos na kami sa IKEA, guys. Hindi namin nagustuhan yung mga ano doon. Yung mga what do you call that, babe? Dining. Wala. Meron pa pala akong natirang Dr. Pepper. Hindi namin nagustuhan, guys, kasi medyo flimsy siya. So, we're actually gonna go with the Freedom. Yung unang option namin. And, yeah, we can order it online. Have it delivered. So, yun, $1,000. Tapos, $75 yung delivery. Yeah. So, we will get that. It's white. It goes well. And the size is perfect. So, and it's sturdy as well. Sa IKEA, ito yung binili namin. Just this. Kasi kailangan namin to, guys. Clips para sa mga chips, ganun. Yung mga na-open na ng mga packs, i-clip mo lang siya. And then, we got this as well. Kasi papalitan ko na yung mga plastic ko na mga baunan nitong glass. So, yeah, ito. Yung hinahanap ko sana is yung flat na square, pero wala sila eh. Meron lang sila nito. At saka merong flat na square, pero ang laki naman. So, ito na lang. Yan. Yung lid niya plastic lang, but that's alright. Now, we're heading back to the city to get my pits done. And we will stop by Daiso as well kasi meron akong kailangan bilhin dun. Guys, nandito kami sa Harry Scarf. Tingin kami ng mga plato. And dito sa Harry Scarf, ano siya guys, 40% off all homeware. So, tingin tayo ng mga plato. Ito oh. Siguro kung gray to, tapos merong ganito na ano sa corner or yan. Maganda siguro yan. Like ito gray, kaya lang yung shape niya naman, hindi siya round. Para siyang square. But there's more here. As in, guys, 40% off all homewares.
So it's on sale.
For one?
No, for the set.
For the set.
But
How many?
It's on sale, $100.
No, that's too much, babe. That looks good though. Maganda siya, medyo may pagka-blue. Tapos yung
plate. It's like a $20 plate.
Yung outside is ano gray. That's too much, babe. Mikasa. Mikasa, you expensive. Mikasa. You don't like Mikasa?
Too expensive.
No. Guys, tignan nyo itong plato. Marble. Tapos naka 50% off siya. Gusto ko din to. Ito oh. Gusto ko din siya. White yung labas, tapos gray yung loob. How about this, babe? That's a nice color. It's not bad, babe.
Gray's better.
No, I saw gray. Did you see gray here? Oh. Yeah. That's gray. Ito yung mug niya. Loob niya gray. And Sorin, babe, is 50% off. That's dark. Can you open that, babe? I think I would like... Ooh, nice. Too dark. I like that one. Gusto ko yan. Guys, I think we found it. Ito. Oh my god.
All that.
Yeah, we will buy all that.
I would.
Yes. Ito guys, ang ganda niya.
See something that works here. See if we got the right thing.
So meron siyang maliit. Tapos yung ano white lang. Meron din siya ng mug. So ito yung set. Pero wala na siya nung naka-box eh. So it's loose lahat. And sabi ni Dan, bilhin namin lahat to. Okay. Meron din silang white lang. Pero maganda tong brand na to eh. Maxwell Williams. Ito na guys. Oopsie. Tsaka yung iba na kay Dan. Si Dan nandun. Nag-elevator ako. nga. Sabi niya kung sino mas mabilis. Hindi mas mabilis yung elevator. I saw you. You walked. Punta tayo laser clinics guys. Guys, nandito kami sa Harry Scarfs ulit. Kasi ipipick up namin yung mga plato kanina. Kasi iniwan lang namin siya kasi papak ni ate. And Dan wants to get luggage. A luggage para sa akin.
I reckon that's fine though.
Yeah?
Do you reckon?
Yeah, that's alright. How about those? Those are good brands as well. Swiss.
How much are they?
Equip. It's 50% off.
Yeah, how much are they?
Like maybe $30 more for this.
Okay. Well, then you'd be like
Yeah.
those ones. And they're pretty good as well. You'd be like the Swiss ones. That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Let's get some luggage today.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cheap. How
Alright.
much cheaper do you think it's going to get over the next month?
Like really cheap?
No, it's not. This is bloody cheap as it is.
Okay. Alright. I'm not sure. I'm deciding.
Swiss oil.
How big is it that you want?
Yeah, be gone.
Hindi ko alam kung saan. Kung ito or ito. What do you think? Black or this?
If it's me, I'll go black.
Yeah?
Which one do you like though? You got something that's easy to find when it comes off the circle one.
You're right. I'm just thinking, like, we will have this for a long time.
Exactly. Setting luggage though.
I know.
Whatever you like though. Purple's fine as well.
We went for the black, guys. Naglakad na actually kami dun. Dala-dala yung, ano, purple na bag. Pero bumalik ako. Sabi ko, black na lang, uy, para safe. Kasi, this will last us for, like, a couple years. And baka magsisi ako sa purple. So, yan, black. Home na kami! We're home! Bigla ang pagbili ng luggage, wala naman sa plano. Pero naka-sale kasi guys, 50% off. And kailangan talaga namin ng isa kasi papalitan namin yung akin. And yung mga plato, yan. Naka 40% off din siya. Hello, baby, your bread.
Why did he do it in there like that?
Nilagay ko sa ilalim yung bread niya. That's alright, Dad. It's just bread. Just stretch it out again. That's fine.
It's actually ruined, to be honest with you.
It's not ruined. It's not. You're not gonna eat that whole thing. We still have bread in the freezer.
We don't.
Yes.
That's why I brought
You
it.
finished it.
Yeah.
That's fine. Then just stretch it out. I'll do
You can't stretch it out. It's ruined.
You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 for eggs in a whole. It's only really like one that's ruined, babe.
No, it's not.
There's only one. See?
All these ones.
That one's crooked.
No.
Nah. I'll fix it for you. You'll see.
You won't fix it.
Guys, I will be cooking adobong sitaw. So, nandito na yung, ginigisa ko na yung garlic, onion, at saka kamatis. And then, isusunod ko na agad yung pork belly na chinap ko into, akala ko nakahubad si Dad. Na-chinap ko into maliliit na pieces. Ganito kaliit guys para mabilis lang maluto yung ating pork. And uubusin ko yung 2 tangkay ng string beans. Kasi ganito lang ka dami yung isa, oh. Ganito lang kadami. So, ubusin ko na lang to. Okay. And kailangan ko bumili ulit para sa aking pinakbet na hindi ko alam kung kailan ko lulutuin. Okay, susunod ko na agad yung pork, guys. Ayan na siya, guys. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng toyo. Tapos nilagyan ko din siya ng konting tubig. And ilalagay ko na actually yung string beans. Kasi gusto ko, guys, na lutong-luto to. Ayoko na medyo crunchy. So, lagay na natin siya. Yan. Kung kailangan, lalagyan ko pa to ng tubig mamaya. Kasi gusto ko na masabaw yung adobo. Takpan lang natin siya, guys. And low heat. Para ma-simmer siya, maluto yung green beans and then string beans. And then, while nihintay yan, magsi-skincare muna ako. Guys, tapos na ako magluto. And natikman ko na din siya. Okay na okay siya. Sobrang bilis lang nitong ulam na to, guys. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng vinegar kasi meron na akong kamatis. So, yung kamatis na yung nag-a-add ng And kakalagay ko lang ng mask ko. Luto na yung rice, guys. So, kakain na ako. Kaya lang, ibabalik ko yung mask sa sa packet niya. Kasi, sayang, kapag tinanggal ko to, gagamitin ko to ulit after kumain. Ang hirap kasi kumain na mayroong mask. Akala ko kasi matatagalan pa yun. So, sabi ko at least 20 minutes na sa mukha ko to. Pero, buti na lang, kinip ko siya. Yung nasa mukha ko is yung green tea. Katapos lang namin kumain, guys. And nakalimutan ko to. Binili namin to sa Daiso. Nagpunta kami ng Daiso kanina. Egg furikake. Rice seasoning. So, ilalagay mo siya sa rice mo, guys, ba? Nakalimutan ko siya kainin. Daiso. $2.80. Or, yeah, $2.80 yan. Anyway, na-prepare ko na yung babaunin ko bukas. Nandito na sa fridge. Right there. So, ginamit ko yung binili ko sa IKEA kanina na glass. Anyway, yun na yung vlog, guys. Mag-edit lang ako ng video. And then si Dan, he will take care of the dishes. So, close ko na to. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like if na-enjoy nyo yung video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah. 5 head.